if you're getting this error message from the Plenty of Fish app, the error says an error occurred, please try again. Now, mostly this occurs when there is an issue on the end. Mostly occurs when their servers are down. Now, if you go on Google and search for Plenty of Fish down and click this link from the down detector website, which shows POF down, just click on it. You can see right now they say user reports show problems with Plenty of Fish. If you scroll down here, you can see so many outages reported in the last 24 hours, which show that their servers are actually down. When they are down, when you try to log in or just enter into your account, you'll be facing this error which say an error occurred, please try again later. So you'll have to wait for a few hours and the issue will likely resolve by itself. While you wait, ensure that you close the application. You can go to the Play Store or App Store and ensure that you have the latest version of Plenty of Fish. But mostly you don't need to do anything. Just wait for a few hours and the issue will likely resolve by itself, since this occurs when their servers are down.